Yogurt.
Porridge.
Got the yogurt.
It's my milk.
It's you didn't fill it up. You got your oats. You got granola. The best part. Pepper. The chia seeds. Chia seeds. 1 tablespoon. This could be cool. Hold on.
What are you doing?
Go back to the wall.
Do the salt maker.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Oh my goodness. What did you do?
Bro, it's coated.
Are we serious? I don't know. It's too bright, bro. It's literally.
You got finely ground 100% honey.
It's a good mama. How did you miss so? I can't even overstate how many chia seeds are in this right now.
Uh-oh.
They're like stuck. Ben? They're not coming off.
Oh my god. Cooking the food.
Falling apart.
I mean, it was gonna be good. Oh, shit.
Oh, if you blast my chromebook, it's not gonna be good. No!
Should have made like a smoothie.
You're dousing my chromebook.
Oh,
in
shit.
water. We need to stop. We need to move this. Just dry this off. This is a school-provided thing. I'm just gonna dry you off. Hope you don't mind. There's water in the keys.
Cooking with food is a disaster.
Oh, shoot.
Oh
no.
I think that's pretty good.
Show the audience. You
just own it.
Just expand it again.
There it is.
Oh my god.
God, just so much anger.
You're just gonna like throw it.
Oh shit.
Oh my god! You're not even seeing this. This is the thumbnail.
Use a spoonful of nut butter.
Ow. Oh, good lord.
Gradient tower. There's so much peanut butter. Okay, so we're starting on the floor.
Yeah. So much peanut butter. There's like, the counter is so wet. Okay. Look at all the peanut butter, bro. So let's make it like here.
Boom.
No. 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 That's too heavy.
Where are the oats? Oh,
Oh, okay.
I'll go.
Let's move that Chinese food. We need like 1 or like 2 more things max.
4 star. Oh, peanut butter.
More.
2 more.
That's all we need. No, please don't. No, Ben, it's not even balanced.
There we go.
We need like 1 more thing.
Honestly, I think just some like cereal boxes.
Yes. You need like a toothpick. No. No.
It's not gonna work.
Oh my god.
There it is.
That is literally to the roof.
Okay. I think we can add these two. We can put it on the floor. We need to rip it to the floor. Like we're gonna start from the floor and all that.
Yeah, so how are we gonna get it down there?
Rip it all.
And rebuild it?
Like on top. A little bit. A little bit. That was too much.
That was not the fire.
They're still good if we sweep them up.
That's so many oats.
Oh my god.
Cowered in fear as it rained down. That is gonna look wondrous on film.
That video.
Look at this. It's like a maid, like cam.
Maid cam. There's so many.
There's like underneath. There's just like a little bit out.
I need a picture of this. Wait, we're still good.
You're still good.
Why wouldn't they?
On the floor? I don't know. In the corners of the house. Grabbing a handful of those. Cooking with Boone has gone downhill. This is not what we planned.
This is not cooking. Alright, we gotta go for the deep sweep.
Yeah, we gotta go.
The deep sweep.
Oh, thank God it's still recording.
Oh, I think like missed that.
You got it all. It's on there.
I'm talking a little bit.
A little bit,
I just walked up.
Peanut butter towel.
It's...
I just want to walk it down. It was falling. It's so crooked.
Oh, we should have started with these, dude.
What?
Oh, boxes.
Of honey made. Yes, that's the name of it.
Jesus.
Oh, let's go for it.
No.
Let it wobble. Let it wobble. Oh, that's a terrible idea. What about the glass containers? We got saltine crackers.
Saltine.
Original.
Kill yourself.
Saltine? You should just call them. No, I did not. I said saltine.
That's pretty hot.
We just changed subjects real quick. Oh no. You have to put it like really away. So it's really
It's even searing.
Why is it sagging so left? I can't figure out why.
Oh!
Let's grab the oats. Porch. Why is it so heavy? Wait, no.
What's it so heavy?
Because there's 5 peanut butters in the tower.
I just carry a tower. So many peanut butter. Jesus Christ.
Go to the restroom real quick.
If it falls while you're gone.
It'll be on film.
No! Oh! No!
I'm back. This is a different approach.
This is... Wait, that's because it has to be. This is just insane.
Check. No.
Pain.
There's nothing with that here.
Oh.
See?
No! Yeah, like we should try again once we know our pause and grab new food.
There's
those
so
peanut butters.
many peanut butters.
Oh, oh, no!
There's a mountain of Raisin Bran on the floor now.
It's such a mess.
It just kept spilling.
Oh no. Oh, the honey made it. Here, it'll be like a supply chain, like chuck them in.
Efficient. Oh, the Raisin Bran.
The curse. Is it these or is this the speaker?
That's the speaker. We're on a quest to find the microphone on the Chromebook. Face got so close to the camera. We're just...
Is it this hole?
No, that's like a
still in the thing.
It's like a screw. Turn on the lights. That's so much better. Oh my god.
This has a. Oh, that's the jack.
The jack.
The jack.
It's on. Is it this? No. There's 2 of them.
Maybe it's blown on it.
We got lip cam there.
I think it's on the bottom. I'm just.
This is a weird POV from the camera.
No holes.
Is that on the back? That's where it is. Like, go up to it. Just like, gotta do it. Wait.
We need to find the microphone first.
Should we just test it?
It's
not on the.
oh, well, your head was like.
It was like this. It was like this.
No, but it was on this side because you went like this.
Oh wait, no, it wasn't that side. Is the mic somewhere?
It's like take a run, not like.
All right, partners, we found it. Okay.